The kitchen is the heart of the home, especially at Christmas. And today, isi-share ko po sa inyo ang aking recipe na meatloaf. Tradisyon ko na po itong iluto every Christmas for my family. Instead bumili ng ham, ito ang aking ipinalit. Nakakasiguro ka pang malinis, walang preservatives, at fresh from the oven. Let's start baking! Sa recipe na ito, gagamit tayo ng ground beef, breadcrumbs, onion powder, or pwede ring fresh onion, barbecue spice, ground black pepper, salt, eggs, milk, and ketchup. I-mix natin na mabuti, pero do not overmix. Basta kapag na-well mix na natin ang mixture, ay ready na yan. Gagamit tayo ng 2 loaf pans. You can use 8.5 by 4.5 inches para sakto ang 1.5 kilo ng ground beef. Sprayan natin ng non-stick spray or brush with oil. Then ilagay na ang mixture ng 3/4 full only kasi maglalabas pa yan ng oil at baka mag-overflow yung mantika. Tapos, i-press down gently and spread evenly. Ilagay na natin sa nakapreheat na oven na 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. While nasa oven ang ating meatloaf, gawa tayo ng glaze or topping. Kailangan lang natin ng ketchup, maple syrup, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and mix very well at iset aside. At pagkatapos ng 1 oras, alisin sa oven at tanggalin ang lumabas na mantika sa meatloaf and pwede nang lagyan ng generous amount of toppings at i-bake ulit ng 15 minutes. Guys, looking good and perfect. Iparest muna natin ng at least 10 to 15 minutes before slicing kasi it helps the meatloaf to hold its shape and to prevent also for becoming dry. Kapag nakarest na, slice na natin sa gusto nating kapal and best serve po ito sa ating mga Pinoy with steamed rice or masarap din ito sa fresh garden salad. So halika at tikman na natin ang meatloaf na panghanda for Christmas.